Here is a LinkedIn hack for those of you who are just starting out. If you are brand new to owning your own recruiting agency, congratulations. However, I do know in the beginning that money can be tight. A lot of us can be on a shoestring budget before we get that first placement. So if I can help you with tips and tricks on how to get momentum into your recruiting business, that's what I'm here to do. So here's an awesome way to talk to a lot of candidates at scale using your LinkedIn free account. All right, you don't have to spend money on LinkedIn Recruiter nor LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Save your money until you get a placement and reinvest that money. I have started, scaled, and sold 3 recruiting agencies in my lifetime, and I've always started with this strategy in the first 30, 60, 90 days. You need to build a foundation, a framework, a strong candidate pipeline. Candidates will give you so much information about your market, about clients, about who's hiring, etc. So make it a goal every day to reach out to maybe 10, 15, 20 quality candidates in your niche, have quality conversations with them, put them into your applicant tracking system, put notes in there, and start cultivating strong relationships with these candidates. I promise you, this will catapult your recruiting business in the beginning. It'll help you save money. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Go into your network button right here, click on Show Less, and right down here is an option to import an Excel spreadsheet of candidates, their email addresses, their phone numbers, etc. So what you'd want to do is go out to ZoomInfo, Seamless AI, or Swordfish, or maybe you have a target list saved on your hard drive that has contact names and email addresses. Simply import them into here. Click on More Options. All right. And here you have the opportunity to add email addresses manually if you'd like to, and LinkedIn's algorithm will spider the database and find all of those candidates, all of those people, and allow you to be first-degree connections with them and start communicating with them. You also have the option of importing Gmail accounts, Yahoo, Outlook. I don't know who uses AOL still, but if you have AOL, have at it. Invite them by email with a link, but I like to click here, Upload a File. So I'm going to click here. And it has to be in CSV format in order for it to work. So I'm just going to click on an example spreadsheet that I created here. It's got about 25 to 27 people in it. Hit upload. And within seconds, LinkedIn is going to discover these folks right here. It's also going to give you people that are relatable to them with their skill set. And you simply click on the boxes and you can start adding connections here and start communicating with them. What I would suggest is go through all of these people. If they seem relevant to what you're trying to accomplish in your recruiting business, click on them, add a connection, then send a one-on-one video to them introducing yourself, but let them know what problem you can solve for them. They need to know what's in it for them. Their attention span is going to be minimal because they're being hit up by so many recruiters every day. So be different, be out of the box. Hey guys, great way. If you're on a budget, scale out your recruiting efforts, your sourcing efforts using that method. Get after it.